Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duggan. Today we're going to walk through Aviara's AV32 Outboard. I'm going to point out a couple of my favorite features on this boat. Starting off the transom, we have Mercury's V8 300s. We have Aviara's bar stool seating here with the retractable sunshade, making us nice and cool on a real hot day. Another neat feature that Aviara does, it gives you 4 dedicated fender holds walking into the boat here. Another one of my favorite features is the ample amount of seating in this boat and storage. All the way around, we have a dedicated spot for a cooler. It's removable. And also another removable cooler here with your wet bar, sink, and a lot more storage in this compartment here. Moving forward to the helm, we have all your controls, Simrad navigation, automatic trim tabs, your Mercury joystick piloting, VHF radio. The bathroom is in the middle of the hull, which gives you a ton of headroom with a portside walk-up. A very deep, spacious bow. Thank you guys. Please give us a call, MarineMax Huntington, 631-956-4865. Thank you.